All right, today I'm going to go over the power of compound interest. So what does that mean? That is the interest you earn, not just on your initial investment of the money you put in, but also on the interest earned. So think of it this way, your money makes money and that money makes money. So I'm going to give you two examples of how this plays out over a long period of time, because that's really how you see the effect of this. So we're going to take John and we're going to take Amy. John, he invests $10,000 at age 25 until 65. Amy does the same thing, invests $10,000, but she waits till 40 instead of 25, and she invests also till 65. So the key difference here, 35 years of investing, 20 years of investing, they both get the same rate of return of 7%, and then they are contributing $100 a month. So yes, John's going to put a little bit more money in over time, but what really matters the most is the amount of time, not just the investment that he's adding. So over this period of time, John would have made $295,166. That's his total value of that account. Amy would make $92,480. So it's a $202,686 difference, which is massive. And as you can see in that example, $100 a month for an extra 15 years, that's not where the money came from. It's the money making money in this example above. So a couple things to keep in mind. Time in the market is very important. Invest early and often. So another tip kind of tied into this one is time in the market is more important than timing the market. That's a common thing you're going to hear in the stock market. So instead of trying to find the perfect time to buy a stock, it's better just to put your money in there and continue to invest frequently. That's the general rule of thumb that you'd hear out there. Also, this starts slowly but explodes over decades. So it may not feel like a lot these first few years, and you're going to see it really shape up, and your investment really explodes. A couple other things, start really be consistent and reinvest the earnings and reinvest dividends if you have those options. So I did another video, sometimes stocks or index funds or whatever you're buying, sometimes they offer dividends. You're basically just getting a portion of the profit that those companies made, and they're paying it back to you as an investor and shareholder in the source of dividends. So sometimes they do that, and there is an option, depending on who you go through, to reinvest those dividends instead of cashing out. You get to keep those dividends and put them into the value. So a couple things just to keep in mind. This is an extremely, extremely important rule when it comes to investing over the long term. Instead of putting all your money in, it really is letting your money work for you over a long period of time. So if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.